Hi everyone, this is the first video of Java training session for freshers. Okay, get into the next slide. See, in the Java training content, we are going to learn all the Java concepts one by one. Okay, there will be a 30 to 50 videos, 5 to 10 minutes each video. So you're going to have 30 to 50 concepts. So each concept you are going to understand in the reality, not only for syntax. We are going to complete basic knowledge. See, you have to have the knowledge, not the programming writing skills. Okay, if you know the concepts, you are able to write the code or you are able to do anything easier way. Try to learn the concepts. So I don't want to keep much video 100 150 videos. I don't want to do. I just want to give say 10 minutes and give clear idea about the concepts, and then we will check some real time examples or projects to understand the concepts. So after that we have to go to the interview questions, because when you read the interview question you will know all the concepts are we are covered, and how to answer the concepts in the interview you will know if you check the interview questions. We will check this. And next, coming to the what is software industry. See, in the early 90s, what is happening? Every company going to have their own tools, development tools, okay, and some data structures, APIs. That means to give service to, see, there is a bank is there. If you want to give them some service. If you have some tools, if your development will be very easy. So what happening? IBM is there, some Oracle is there, some Microsoft is there. They're going to have their own tools and data structures to develop their operations or anything. So that what happened, there are, suppose think there are 100 companies. In the 100 companies they're going to have their own tools and everything. So what happened, if you other company want, they have to develop or they have to buy from the other company. So what happened, some company came with the programming languages. Okay, see, suppose Oracle came from Java. That means Java is nothing. Java is going to have some tools and some data structures, some APIs to develop the application or any application. It might be a SAP, remote networking application, web application, what. So they're going to give some set of tools and APIs and data structure to make your task easier. So okay, from Oracle, Java is came from Microsoft, might be C and Python, I don't know. From MDN, Mozilla, JavaScript came. Okay, these all come some programming languages. And why Java? See, I don't say learn Java, Python, anything. It's your wish. What you want to learn based on the your likeness and you are having knowledge, and in the market which are having most demand and most paid salaries, or according to you, you just choose a language which you want. Okay, this, see, there is a, what is Java? Java is a programming language and object oriented based and um, strong exception handling based and multi-threaded programming language. Okay, we will see in the future, you are going to understand everything, because in the, I said now, in the interview questions we are going to focus on the that thing. First thing we have to learn the concept, then we able to easily answer the questions. Okay, so going to next slide. See, I just divided all Java course into three parts. First one, basics. Then you have OOPS and you have Java APIs. I said Java programming language is nothing but some tools and data structures and APIs. So first we'll check what are the tools provided by Java. It's nothing but JDK and JRE. Then we are going to use check what are the keywords, because all the programming is working on based on the keywords only. Okay, if you know the keywords, that means 50% of programming language is completed. This might be Java, C or anything. So 50% of the programming. Then we will check how the real internal, how the Java is working. That means I said na, its programming language is nothing but they have written the code to develop the next process. So internal, you can understand. If you are unable to write, also no issue, but if you understand, it is easier to learn the Java and run the code easier way. So just understanding I'm going to, then we will check what are all Java tools are there, then what is array concepts in Java, what is classes in the Java, and static non-static variable methods blocks, so operation, so these all related tools, and how you will writing the code, how we are writing the code, we are going to understand the concepts, so coding writing concepts. Okay, then we are going to check operators and control flow statement, if for else, these all statements we are going to check in the basics. So basic means whatever, what is the Java language, what is specialty, and what it is having the features, how it is working, how to write the code, what are the concepts. Okay, I hope you understand the what in the basics what we are going to learn. Next, coming to object oriented programming. Object oops means, see, oops concepts are nothing but, see, in the real world hospital is there, you're going to create a hospital application. That means in the real world hospital will be there, in the programming world also will be the hospital is there. So hospital content, employees, patients, all the bills and everything will be happening in the programming world also, same thing has happening in the. So coming to real world, there will be a relations and some other features also there to get the to develop the application easier way with the relations. So oops concepts are explaining, I will explain the concept, so that time you will understand. So just for knowledge I am giving, these are to keep the relations and some futures. Okay, these are useful to do that things. Okay, because finally at the end of the day we are going to do, see, there is a Swiggy is there, we are going to develop the, in initial way what is happening, customer has to call the restaurant, and restaurant has to do take the order, and they have to send by the person. After coming Swiggy, what happened, taking order and giving to the restaurant, and giving to the delivery boy address and everything, these all programming things are happening in the program way. Only the delivering and preparing is happening in the real world. So try to understand it. That is the common way, this is a programming way we are doing to do automation, only programming languages. Okay, okay, to keep that relations and that all things, oops concepts are useful. Then coming to Java API, see, basics are nothing but tools and writing programming. Coming to oops relations and enhancements to the development. Coming to API, they are given some data structure. Instead of you developing, they give the data structure, collections, some other APIs useful in the development or useful in the other networking field. They give some endpoint. That means instead of you developing from the scratch, till the common thing they give. After the common thing, you have to write the code and you can go further. So they given collections, multi-threading, strings, except handling, file reading, file network related concepts. So they have provided so many APIs to do faster way development faster way. Coming to Java keywords, there are, I divided keywords into data types, control flow statements, return type, modifiers, unused, access, API level, exception. See, whatever I'm mentioning, if you know all the concepts, that means if a byte is there, if the if is there, final is there, modifier is there, sorry, public is there, new is there, if you know each one with a clarity, that means you know how to write the code, because what else is there after. See, in the pro, try to read the all the code from any Google. Okay, check, only these or things will be there. Remaining after this what will be there, only your own class names, that means your given names will be there except this. So if you know these all Java keywords, it is easy to understand the Java code. Okay, I divided them into different fields because where we are using, to you will get the clear idea when I'm explaining. Okay, yeah, that's it for this video.